Welcome to this presentation on DNA structure. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic information in all living organisms and some viruses. This presentation will explore its discovery, structure, and functions. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule responsible for passing genetic information from one generation to the next. It plays a critical role in ensuring the proper growth and reproduction of living organisms. The discovery of DNA dates back to 1869 when Friedrich Miescher first identified it. However, it was in 1953 that James Watson and Francis Crick proposed the double-helix model of DNA, a structure that remains widely accepted today. DNA's structure and function are central to our understanding of genetics and molecular biology. The DNA molecule consists of two strands that coil around each other to form a double helix. Each of these strands is composed of nucleotides, which are the fundamental building blocks of DNA. A nucleotide, the basic building block of DNA, is composed of three components: a phosphate group, a sugar molecule known as deoxyribose, and a nitrogenous base. There are four types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. In the DNA double helix, adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds, and cytosine pairs with guanine through 3 hydrogen bonds. This complementary base pairing ensures the accuracy of DNA replication. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. The sugar-phosphate backbone forms the structural framework of the DNA strand. The phosphate group of one nucleotide bonds with the sugar of the next, creating a continuous sugar-phosphate backbone. The two strands of DNA run in opposite directions, a feature known as antiparallel orientation. One strand runs in the 5' to 3' direction, while the other runs in the 3' to 5' direction. DNA performs several essential functions. First, it stores genetic instructions necessary for the development and functioning of living organisms. Second, DNA can replicate itself to ensure that each new cell receives an exact copy of the genetic material. Finally, DNA contains instructions for synthesizing proteins, which are crucial for cellular functions. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. In summary, we explored the structure of DNA, starting with its historical background and moving on to the double helix structure, nucleotide composition, base pairing rules, and antiparallel strands. We also discussed the crucial functions of DNA, including genetic information storage, replication, and protein synthesis. These elements form the foundation of our understanding of genetics and molecular biology. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.